Who's that from? Mira.
Read it first. Who's that from? Can you read it first? Ito ay
Read it first.
From who? Hard to read.
It says, Happy birthday, medium kid. Love you. Happy Easter. Okay. Hi, Jolie. Open it. Happy crop. Wow! Make sure to read that, okay? Make sure to read that. Don't leave it there. But it's stuck. Try to pull harder. Yeah, ganyan.
Okay
There.
na. I get it.
Get it, get it. But wait, that's not hard. There's actually...
Oh, some more
It's actually
presents.
part of a set.
Open the others.
Can you open the others? Oh.
Oh, read it again. Read it again. Who's it from?
It just said happy birthday. Shay. Isa. Ate Isa.
Oh, go.
I just forgot to put after that. Ah.
Hard. Sorry.
It's part of a set. So there's actually...
Oh. Spoiler ka na.
Yeah, it's part
Go,
of
go,
a
open.
set. What seats?
Just open it. Wow.
Yes, 2 more gifts.
Oh, 2 more from Ate Isa. Guess what's inside? Do you know what's inside?
Ate Isa. Do you know what's inside? Oh. Yeah. It's all part of a set.
Pinahirapan pa yun na sinama sa isa.
Cat kid again? Yeah, it's part of a set. It's like Dog Man.
Oh, last one from the set.
Then guess what this is? What they call Love you, Ate Isa.
Guess what that is?
Guess what that
Guess
is?
what that is?
It's not a book.
What is it? It's Cat Kid! What? I think he spent 5 minutes opening my phone.
No, ano lang naman. 4 minutes.
Just get the book out. Okay.
Okay.
Make sure to read that, okay? Don't leave it there. Oh. Okay. I'll put it in here. We need a trash bin.
It's okay. Oh, okay.